Did you know that unsustainable agricultural and aquaculture practices present the greatest immediate threat to species and ecosystems around the world? Farmed areas, both on water and on land, provide important habitats for many wild plants and animals. When farming operations are sustainably managed, they can help preserve and restore critical habitats, protect watersheds, and improve soil health and water quality. But when practiced without care, farming presents the greatest threat to species and ecosystems. Just a few of the negative environmental impacts from unsustainable farming practices include land conservation and habitat loss, wasteful water consumption, soil erosion, pollution, and climate change. One major threat caused by agriculture is the killing of bees all across the world. The pesticide that is routinely sprayed on crops penetrates the leaves and is taken up by the plant's vascular system, turning the plant poisonous to insects eating the leaves, pollen, and nectar. Alternatively, the plant's seeds are soaked or the soil is treated with the chemical, with the same result. This might be nice for keeping beetles off your roses, but it is lethal for bees and other pollinators. Another major threat to the environment comes from factory farms that house unnatural numbers of animals and livestock in one place. For example, a single hog excretes up to 17.5 pounds of manure and urine each day. Put 1,000 hogs together and that's 6 million pounds of waste each year. On a factory farm containing 35,000 hogs, over 4 million pounds of waste are produced each week, and over 2 million pounds each year. Whereas on a sustainable farm, animal waste can be a tool. In a factory farm, it becomes a major pollutant. The creation and disposal of such enormous quantities of waste has a devastating effect on air, water, and soil surrounding factory farms. Unlike human waste, livestock manure is not processed for sanitation. On factory farms, it is commonly mixed with water and held in pits called lagoons, and then sprayed on cropland. But the system often suffers from an excess of manure. The lagoons can leak or spill, for instance, or the manure is over-applied to fields, which can cause it to run off into surface waters, causing even more pollution. In a healthy farm system, agriculture works in harmony with the natural environment. This begins with healthy soil that stores water and nutrients and provides a stable base to support plant roots. In a sustainable system, soil is kept in balance. Crops are rotated through the fields to replace nutrients in the soil. Where there is livestock, animals graze the land, then waste from those animals is used to fertilize the soil. The main idea is that farmers take from the land, they also give back, and they do not pollute the earth with pesticides and herbicides. So think before you eat and know where your food comes from. Don't contribute to the devastating factory farms and consume less meat. Also, let's work together to save the bees.
Late last night, I heard the screen door slam. Big yellow taxi took away my old man. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? We paid paradise, put up a parking lot. I said, don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? We paid paradise, put up